on clean musical equipment can be very beneficial for all instrumentalists. However, things start to become very difficult and frustrating when we start playing on dirty equipment. Hello everyone, I'm the trumpet technician, and today I'll be showing you guys how to clean your trumpet mouthpiece. So let's get to it. So in order to clean our mouthpiece, we'll need the following equipment. Number 1, our trumpet mouthpiece. Number 2, our mouthpiece brush. Number 3, a bottle of soap. And lastly, a paper towel. Now I'm going to show you guys the inside of my trumpet mouthpiece, and it has been a full week since I've last cleaned this mouthpiece, and what you're going to see is just old spit that has built up within the last week, and we want to get that out of there. So let's head to the sink and clean this up. First, we're going to take our trumpet mouthpiece and rinse it in the water. Next, we're going to take our mouthpiece brush and rinse that in the water as well. Then we're going to take our bottle of soap and put just a little bit on the mouthpiece brush. No need to cover up the entire mouthpiece brush with all that soap. It's unnecessary. Then we're going to take the mouthpiece brush with the soap on it and just put a little bit of water on there. Now we're going to cut the water off because we don't want that running. Now we're going to take the mouthpiece brush and insert it through the bottom of the mouthpiece. And go ahead and give it a few twists and turns just to get all that dirt out of there. Now we're going to take the mouthpiece and rinse out all the soap off of the mouthpiece. And we're going to do the same thing with the mouthpiece brush. Get all the soap off that. And cut the water off again because we're done with it now. Now I'm going to show you the inside of the mouthpiece again. And what you're going to realize is all that spit that built up within the last week is gone. And the mouthpiece is now clean. So now we can take our paper towel and wipe off all the water off of the mouthpiece. Ladies and gentlemen, this is how you clean a trumpet mouthpiece. So now that the inside of the mouthpiece is clean, once you put the mouthpiece on the horn, you're going to realize that your sound will become a lot better and you'll have a much easier time playing around the ranges of the instrument. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. I'm the trumpet technician and I'm out. See you in the next video.